Part of the learning experience framework is dedicated to the learning content pipeline. It's responsible for both the curation and creation of learning experiences for your employees. In this video, we'll be exploring why, when building learning experiences in the learning content pipeline, teams should be asking whether they should be creating content from scratch or curating it from online sources. Now, generative AI is no doubt accelerating our ability to co create learning content, but it's still not as efficient or as fast as curating. Now, I'm not saying you should stop creating content, but it's now worth considering a shift to a curate before create mindset. So, what is curation and why and when is it useful? Learning curation is about researching and sharing a hand-picked collection of content from trusted sources for a given topic or skill. It's as much art as it is science, and there is some skill to building an experience that flows well for your target audience. For example, it's always good to start with an overview video or a simple article as an introduction before diving deeper into core learning materials. Curation is best used in these three cases. Number one, the topic or skill is common to your industry. There's a high chance that the content you need already exists. So why not use it? There are some conditions to getting the right content. For example, you don't want to use competitors' content or material that breaches any company policies. Number two, you might be constrained by resources or time. Curation is less expensive and faster than creation after all. Number three, you're developing skills for learning topics that are rapidly changing. Now, IT topics in particular change so rapidly that content there has a shelf life of 3 to 6 months before it needs to be replaced. So it's quicker and cheaper to find content with third party providers that you can bring into your experience. Now, to make the most of curating content, you'll need a technology or platform like the LXP that allows you to build experiences based off of referencing those online sources that you've found. Your key takeaway today? Well, keep experimenting and co creating content with generative AI, but be sure to do your homework first and curate, leaning on what's available online.